Exactly. They have to be taught a lesson. Do whatever's necessary to maintain control in the city.
Sir.
At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom.
I regard myself as a soldier, though a soldier of peace. I have never made a statement of this description.
Bhikaji Cama, in 1907, when India's independence was still 40 years away and the world was not fully aware of the burning patriotism of young Indians, Bhikaji Cama unfurled the first national flag at the International Socialist Conference in Germany. She even parted with her husband, who did not approve of her fight for freedom. Born to rich Parsi family, settled in London, Bhikaji Cama also fought for the cause of women. Veer Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, an extraordinary Hindu scholar who evoked controversy, was a great orator, prolific writer, historian, poet, philosopher, and social worker. He launched a scathing attack on the seven shackles that undermine Hindu society. He appealed to the society to eradicate untouchability. Because of his instigating patriotic speeches, the British government withdrew his BA degree. In 1906, he left for England to qualify as a barrister. दुश्मनों की गोलियों का हम सामना करेंगे, आज़ाद ही रहे हैं, आज़ाद ही रहेंगे। Born on 23rd July 1906, he was drawn into the non-cooperation movement of 1920-21 under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. When arrested, he gave his name as Azad, his father's name as Swatantra, and his residence as prison. He later got involved in revolutionary activities and joined the Hindustan Socialist Republican Army and was involved in Kakori conspiracy. He was one of the three who were involved in shooting of Saunders at Lahore. He was encircled by police at Alfred Park, Allahabad. He gave a good fight, and when he was left with one bullet, he shot himself because he wanted to live Azad. Captain Lakshmi Sehgal.
The most glorious period in my life was between 1943 and 1945, when I served the Indian National Army under Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.
She was the captain of all-women Rani of Jhansi regiment of INA. She distributed literature, bombed strategic structures, fought in the jungle of Southeast Asia, and endured the hardship of jail. She was inspired by Gandhi's call to do or die. Ashfaq Ullah Khan. Born in 1900, Ashfaq was known for his involvement in the famous Kakori dacoity incident in 1925 under the leadership of Ram Prasad Bismil. He felt that soft approach of non-violence could not win India its independence, and therefore used bombs, revolvers and other weapons to instill fear into the hearts of the British. When he was provoked against Hinduism, he said, "I am quite sure that Hindu India will be much better than British India." He was proud to be the first Muslim to embrace death on the gallows for his country. उरूजे कामयाबी पर कभी हिंदुस्तान होगा, रिया सयाद के हाथों से अपना आशियाँ होगा। चखाएंगे मज़ा बर्बादी गुलशन का गुलची को, बहार आ जाएगी उस दम जब अपना बागबां होगा। ये आए दिन की छेड़ अच्छी नहीं है खंजर कातिल, पता कब फैसला उनके हमारे दरमियाँ होगा। जुदा मत हो मेरे पहलू से ए दर्द वतन हरगिज़, ना जाने बाद मुर्दन मैं कहाँ और तू कहाँ होगा। वतन की आबरू का पास देखे कौन करता है, सुनाए आज मतकल में हमारा इत्तेहा होगा। शहीदों की चिताओं पर जुड़ेंगे हर बरस मेले, वतन पर मरने वालों का यही बाकी निशान होगा। कभी वह दिन भी आएगा जब अपना राज देखेंगे, जब अपनी ही जमीन होगी और अपना आसमां होगा।